Hey everyone, in this video we are going to understand and fix the connection timeout error that you might be seeing while trying to access the website medium.com. So here is the situation. Medium is probably hosted in one of the cloud platforms which are very reliable, but the issue is not with the medium itself. The real problem lies with the some of the internet service provider like Jio, Airtel or BSNL which are common in India. Their default DNS server sometimes fail to properly resolve the domain name that is medium.com. So what is DNS? Think of DNS, which we commonly known as domain name system, is like the phone book of the internet. When you type medium.com, DNS convert it into an IP address. Your browser uses that IP to load the website. But if your ISP fails to translate the DNS name correctly, your browser simply can't find the server, which results in the timeout error. So your browser is trying to reach the medium platform. DNS fails to resolve the domain and the request keep waiting. Eventually, the connection timeout error we see. So let's fix this by switching to a more reliable DNS, that is using the Google public DNS. Firstly, go to the search bar and search for view network connection. Right click on your active network, which can be Wi-Fi or Ethernet, and click on properties. Select the Internet Protocol version 4 and click on Use the following DNS server address. Enter in the preferred DNS server, use 8.8.8.8. In the alternate DNS, write 8.8.4.4. Click on OK and close all the windows. Now search for the CMD in the Windows search bar. Type the command ipconfig /flush DNS and click on enter. Here you will see the output successfully flush the DNS resolver cache. And now open your browser and click on refresh. Now you can see medium.com should start working perfectly. Yes, we can use the VPN to bypass this issue, but a VPN often slow down your internet speed. So switching the DNS is much faster, simpler and more reliable. So next time you see a connection timeout error, don't panic, it's likely a DNS issue, not a website problem. Just switch to a reliable DNS like Google. So thanks for watching and happy browsing.